Hello, my dear students. Very good morning to you all. The query which has been raised by you all that is most prominent for main examination. You should be cautious in this regard that modern theory of rent, which has been developed by the different economists, namely Professor Marshall, Mr. John Robinson, and Kenneth Boulding. All these economists have contributed significantly to elaborate and analyze the modern theory of rent, which is the most prominent. Under this theory, few assumptions have been followed. Firstly, the rent is a general payment which may arise on all the factors of production. According to Professor Ricardo, who had suggested that rent arises only on land factor. But under the modern theory, it is not reality. According to modern theory, the rent may arise on any factor of production. That is to say, on all the factors of production, namely land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. So we can say the rent arises on all the factors of production. Second assumption which has been followed, that is rent accrues due to scarcity. And third, that is rent is calculated on the basis of transfer earnings or opportunity cost. Because transfer earnings is also known as opportunity cost. Now, we can easily estimate and explain the modern theory of rent, but you should be cautious in this regard. There are mainly two types of curves help us to elaborate this particular theory. Their names are, there are mainly two types of forces are demand and supply. Here also demand and supply, two things are going to help us to decide the equilibrium with the help of which we can easily estimate the modern rent. Now, I want to suggest and explain the important factors under this theory. Firstly, you have to write the modern theory of rent. Now we have only two x's, x and y. So the quantity on the horizontal line and price, earnings on y-axis. You can also show the opportunity cost because we can easily estimate the opportunity cost also, our transfer earnings, price. Initially, we have to draw the specific type of curve which is known as demand curve. It is well known, understood to all. It is a general type of curve. It is a general curve. We show the negative relationship between price and quantity of the factor. That is to say, at the increase in the price of the factor, the quantity demanded goes on rising and vice versa. That is to say, at the increase in price of the factor, quantity demanded would go on declining. So, in this way we find the negative relationship or inverse relationship. On the other hand, the supply curve is positively sloped, which is showing the positive relationship between price and quantity. On account of increase in the price, quantity supplied will also go on rising and vice versa. Now, what is the condition of the equilibrium? The condition would be same. The condition is demand should go to equal as supply. This condition should be fulfilled. This condition will be fulfilled only at the specific point where demand and supply both curves are mutually intersecting each other. Now we observe here at the point E, both curves are going to intersect, are intersecting at the point E, because there is a supply curve intersecting at the point A, demand curve also intersecting or cutting at the point E. So now we can say the demand and supply both are intersecting each other at the point E. Here this condition have got fulfilled. Now we can say the E point should be known as equilibrium. Here, what is the price? In order to get the price, we have to draw vertical line on Y. So now we can say OP price. What is the quantity supplied? That is OM. The manner you have earlier considered the manner to get the quantity and price, we have earlier taught you all. Now here we find the two things which are most important, quantity and price, with the help of which we can easily estimate the total earnings or total current earnings. This total earnings is also known as total current earnings. Is equal to what's formula? To calculate the total current earnings? Quantity multiplied by price. What is the quantity? That is OM replaced by OM. What is the price? That is OP. In entire area, OPEM should be known as total current earnings. Now you have estimated total earnings or total current earnings. In order to calculate the modern rate, we have to extend the supply curve towards left hand side until goes to intersect or touch on y-axis. If the same trend occurs along with the supply curve, then obviously it will surely touch on the specific point of supply vertical line. This supply curve is tangent on y-axis at the point H. So now we can say that the estimation of transfer earnings and modern rate may be easily done. How do you calculate the transfer earning? This is the very important thing. The transfer earnings is estimated with the use of the boundary of the supply curve. Just like, what is the boundary of line of supply curve? Up to the equilibrium, from the point H but up to the equilibrium point. So this is the HE. So at the boundary line of the supply curve, below this level, we shall find below this level up to the x-axis, we shall find the area of transfer earning, which is also known as opportunity cost. Transfer earnings are opportunity cost. So now what is the opportunity cost? That is OHEM is equal to OHEM, should be known as opportunity cost or transfer earnings. Now we can easily estimate the modern rate. What is the formula to calculate the modern rate? The modern rate may be easily estimated with the help of this formula. Modern rate is equal to total earnings or total current earnings minus transfer earnings minus transfer earnings or opportunity cost. So what is the total earnings? We have earlier calculated OPEM. We have earlier calculated it OPEM minus what is it? Transfer earning OHEM. So now when you subtract the transfer earning from the total earning, you will find the residual area shown as the triangle HPE. The remaining area or difference between total earnings and opportunity cost is HPE. HPE should be known as modern rate. In this way, we have told and suggested you all to explain and estimate the modern range. If you have any other career, you can reach.